Hey guys, how's it going? How to add shake to reveal an Instagram story. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram, okay? And then basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and hold right here at the top left, and then click add to your story, right? And basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and select your story, right? And from here, after you select your story, let's say for example, I want to select this one, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and add the sticker next to my text at the top or next to the music, and then basically just look for frames, right? And after you look for frames, right? Frames, something like that. Let me cancel it. You're gonna be able right here to find frames. If you haven't found it, that means that this feature is not available to you yet, right? After you selected your frames, just add the picture, right, of that frame, and then just add the text under it, basically, to make it shakeable. You're gonna see it right here. Sorry, sorry, I lost it for a bit. Right here, right? I'm gonna just go ahead and add the text, and as you can see right here, I can add, let's say, guess, and this will be revealed to shake. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.